Okay, so now we have a new composition with this man walking over some leaves. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to stop this frame at this at 4th second. So how to do it? So go to the 4th second, press Ctrl Shift D, and then in the upper layer right click, go to time and click on freeze frame, and now that frame has been freezed. So in this way you can freeze a frame in After Effects. Let's delete it, expand it. Now you can also create a reverse layer. So to do that, just right click, go to time and click on time reverse layer, and now you can see these lines. So this represents the reverse layer, and now you can see he is walking in backward direction. Okay, let's increase the time of the composition to 1 minute. Okay, and then expand it. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to create a loop of this whole layer. Okay, I want to create a loop so that this layer can be repeated till the end of the composition. One way to do it is to create a duplicate of it and then move it to the forward, and then create another duplicate, move it to the forward, move it to the front like this. But this is not the right way to do it. So right click on it, go to time, click on enable time remapping. So this will create 2 keyframes for the time, and then hold Alt on the stopwatch, then go to this button and go to interpolation. Okay, again click on this button and then go to footage, where it is. Okay, so inside the property, click on loop out duration, and then you can just expand the layer, and now you can see a loop is created of your layer. So in this way you can create a loop of any layer in After Effects. So let's say you have created, create a new text ABCD, then expand it and use opacity, then change opacity to 0, go to advanced, turn on the randomizer, then turn off the advanced, and hold stopwatch on the offset and type time steering to 50. Okay, so right now this is not the good way to do it. Let's remove this expression and animate it by hand like this. Okay, so we have created a random opacity animation. Okay, let's increase the alphabets and move it to the center. Okay, so this is what we have created. Okay, now let's move them closer. Okay, now what I want to do, I want this animation to loop over whole time. So the best way to do it is to create a pre-composition, click OK, and now this is where our animation is completing. You can see our animation is completed. So press Ctrl Shift D, delete it, and then go to time, click on enable time remapping, and now select create a keyframe at this time. You can see a new keyframe is created. Delete the last keyframe. So we have only 2 keyframes of time over this period. Now hold Alt and click on the stopwatch, go to property, click on loop out duration, and then expand it. Now you can see in this way you can create a loop of the animation in Adobe After Effects. And that's it for this video.